How to open Emirates NBD bank account online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can open your Emirates NBD bank account online, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to open up Emirates NBD bank account online, all you have to do is simply open up your browser, go to emiratesnbd.com, and I'll make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you're on the website, just choose the type of accounts that maybe you want to create. In this case, just go to the accounts tab that you can see from the top of the navigation menu. Then just scroll down. You'll see different types of savings accounts or current accounts and deposit accounts that are actually available. Depending upon what you want, you can just click the savings account option, and then here you'll find this option known as apply now. You want to make sure to just click on it. Most people usually use savings account. If you want to use current account, that's also totally fine with it. You can just go ahead and see all of the features of the account that you want to create. Just click the get started button, as you can find it over here. After this, it'll ask you for a couple of informations in order for you to create an Emirates NBD bank account online. For this, all you have to do is first of all make sure to enter your first name, select your salutation such as Mr., which is also known as your suffix. Once you've done this, make sure to add a middle name if possible. You can also choose to enter your email address, and then make sure to enter your legal phone number. After that, make sure to choose your nationality as well. Once you've done that, select your legal date of birth, salaried or non-salaried. Do you have Emirates ID? Of course we do not have it, so that's why we're creating one. Here, just fill in all this box, click the next option that you can find it over here. Once you click on next, it'll ask you for a couple of other information, such as whether you want to apply for online banking or maybe you want to verify it using a legal document. After you fill in all this form, your Emirates NBD bank account will be created if they approve it, and to verify it, you can just call your branch and then let them know that you want to activate your bank account. This way you can go ahead and then open up Emirates NBD bank account online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.